Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen rotation not working on your HMD Arc. First, what you guys want to do is go over and enable auto rotate in the quick settings. So what are we going to do is we're going to swipe down right here, swipe down once more, and here we're going to make sure that it says auto rotate on. Now we can leave, and we're going to open the first app to see if the gyroscope is working. As you guys can see, it works without any issues. We can try one more app, like let's say messages, and as you guys can see, everything works just fine. So we're simply going to restart our phone if it's not working for us, and all you need to do is hold the power button only until you see the power menu. You tap on a restart and it is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to update our software to fix any sensor issues. So we're going to go over, and here we're going to settings. Now in these settings, we need to go and scroll down to the system and tap on system update. So this is where you can update your software. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.